What's up, it's Leo, and today I have a really exciting box in front of me. It is huge. I'm just gonna crack it open. It's from Bioboards. I've been waiting for this for probably 6 months or something. I think I ordered it in August last year, so it's been a while. Let's see what's inside. New Bioboards Plutonium. It does look really good. I actually bought it without knowing what the final result would look like, what the final board would look like, because they didn't reveal it at the time. It was just a concept after their previous model, the Thorium. But I'm really pleased with how it looks, and it just looks high quality and just looks really premium. And it's definitely one of the most premium boards you can get on the e-skate market right now, along the lines of Kelly NYC and LaCroix, or LaCroix, whatever how you pronounce it. I went for the Bioboards because I live in Europe, and getting a Kelly NYC shipped over to Europe is, well, tax-wise, it's just a pain in the ass. So that's why I did go with this one, as well as I prefer a more, let's say, normal deck over the specialized Kelly decks or the LaCroix decks. So let's get it out of the box. I will say though, it is heavier than I anticipated. 2 more boxes in here. The small one, got my name on it, and a bigger box which I assume will contain the charger. Right, let's have a look at the small box first. I'm guessing this is the controller. Got a little manual, some stickers, as you always get. The e-skate community loves stickers. And here with the controller, I've got the FlipSky VX1. You can also choose to get the Hoyt Street puck remote, or the, what else? Oh, the APS trigger remote. I think you can also choose to get. But I mean, you can easily swap that out if you wanted to have a different one later, but I prefer these boost style remotes, mostly because I'm used to them, but there you go. Alright, let's have a look at the bigger box before we look at the actual board. Got some paperwork, and here we have the actual charger, which is a very big and bulky one. It's 10 amps. The charger also has a switch between 220 and 110 volts for those in the United States. I believe you guys have 110 volts. And here we have the connector. Looks like a really sturdy connector. A little bit reminiscent of a XLR, I suppose. And just the power cable itself. Now onto the main event, the board itself. For those who don't know, Bioboards is actually a Swedish company, I believe, so they ship straight from Sweden. Although they don't actually manufacture a lot of things themselves, they're mostly actually a boutique builder, if you will. I think they're very well known on the electric skateboard builders forum. The board I have here is a Plutonium, which is the successor to the Thorium, the previous version. The deck is now manufactured by themselves, and it's larger and wider. In the previous version they used the Land Yachts Evo deck. We now also get a screen on front, which is the Vega screen. It shows you a lot of information about the battery cells, their voltage, as well as just information about the VESC that's in here. Talking about the VESC, this board actually uses a Stormcore 100D VESC, which is different from the previous version, as they used, I believe, Foxbox Unities. Of course, Foxbox doesn't exist anymore since Immersion went out of business. But I think the Stormcore will be a great replacement for the Unity from last model. In front of me I have the 2-wheel drive version. Actually, I didn't buy the 4-wheel drive version, in which it is also available because, well, I think it's already heavy enough with the 2-wheel drive version. And I don't really need the extra torque considering I live in a very flat area. The drivetrain is from 3D Services, which you can see here printed on the mounts. They are helical gear drives, which means they should be more reliable and require less maintenance than belts do, as you can't have a belt snap on this type of drive. It's also different from hub motors or direct drive, as you can actually change the wheels on it. So there's now these all-terrain wheels on it, but you could technically just swap these out for street wheels, although you do have to make sure you have enough clearance on your board, of course. In the front you also find the Vega screen. It's a new addition compared to the previous model, the Thorium. This just shows you a lot of information about the battery, such as the voltages for each cell, estimated range, the trip distance, a bit like the odometer on the boosted boards. This will kind of replace that, and it's actually really nice to have it just on the front of the board, because it also shows you your current speed, so you know you can really check this screen while you're riding. Although, don't look at it too much, of course, because you have to check where you're going. But it's a really nice addition. Alright, I think that's it for this first look slash unboxing of this new Bioboards Plutonium. I'll have to charge it up and go take it for a ride later. But I'll see you guys in the next video.